All right. This is hopefully you can hear me. I got a gnarly case on my phone. This is my review of these Shark Road Amazon exhaust. There's only one other video I saw, and they were just called Amazon exhaust, but these are the Shark Road. There's like a DNA brand that looks similar. So I got what's called the mortars, the black mortars. Here's what they kind of look like here. Not bad, don't look bad on the bike. I thought by the picture they'd look kind of crappy, but they just have enough accent. Hopefully you guys can see all this because it's pretty dark in here right now. But I even have the light on. But I won't waste too much time here. We'll just do a quick sound test, and then I'll go over one issue that I think is just ridiculous. So let's see. Now, this is a 2018 Iron 1200, by the way. So let's see what it does. Alright, that was loud as hell. That is really, really loud. I mean, really loud. Those are straight through, so it doesn't do really it justice. But that they were $139 for some slip-ons. All I wanted was some noise. And the reason I went with just slip-ons for now, the bike has 50 miles on it, and I've done racing and tuning and all kinds of stuff, and to just slap some $800 2-in-1s and a $200 filter, you know, sometimes $300 filter, and just tune the fuel is not really gonna do it. All you're doing is gonna move the power band, which will feel different in a different spot, which is fine. You know, people do whatever they want. What I will do though, probably in the summer, because it's December and it's 35 degrees and I just bought it and it's got 50 miles on it, I'll probably do stage 4, Screaming Eagle stage 4, and get the I probably go with the Screaming Eagle auto tune, and I'll probably get a nice 2-in-1 and then get a filter then, because there's no point in doing it right now. But I'll probably just do it all at once. and then I'll just be slamming and banging, and it'll be done. Don't plan on doing much to this thing. Never had a Harley, so let's see what it does. And I'm gonna throw a review about this bike because I've never had a Harley, and I've always bagged on them. So hopefully this gives somebody an idea. You know, whether or not to go with these. I'd probably go with them just to make some noise. I don't know how it's going to drive. If I lose my low and mid torque, I'm probably going to take them off. But other than that, that's about it. So I appreciate the view if you see it. But yeah, thanks. Bye.